Imagine this: a client gives you a small 5-minute task. It could be a text update on a website or perhaps adding a new image. Would you do it yourself or give it to a developer? Let's say you could finish it in 5 minutes, but sending it to a developer can take more time. For example, 5 minutes to create access for the developer, 10 minutes to write task instructions and send them in an email, 10 minutes for the developer to do the task and update you, 5 minutes for you to review it and update the client. So it is tempting to just do it yourself, isn't it? But when you are building your agency, you need to think long term, not short term. You cannot build an agency without delegating tasks. Now, let us talk about the long term impact. If you send this task to a developer instead of doing it yourself, the most important point is this: small tasks are an excellent way to judge a new developer's attention to detail. The tasks may look simple, but trust me, many developers make a mess of them. Some may not set the image width and height properly. Some may add extra space or above or below the content. And this instantly tells you how attentive the developer is to their work. It also shows you how quickly they complete tasks. If such a small task takes them 30 minutes, then they are not the developer we are looking for, and we can part ways quickly instead of wasting time. Now, let us say a developer follows all the instructions and completes the task without issues. Then that is someone we can work with for the long term. Here is the long term impact of delegating small tasks. You and the developer will understand each other better with every task. The developer will learn your way of working as they make mistakes and as you guide them. Over time, you will not have to explain everything in detail and you can simply forward the client's requirements as they are, and that saves you those 10 minutes. You will also gain confidence to assign mid-term and long-term projects. If the developer works on a site they have worked on before, you will not need to spend those 5 minutes setting up access again. Eventually, after testing their work for a while, you can update the client directly without you doing QA. And I have personally reached this stage. This is the exact process I followed when hiring and training new developers. Yes, it took a lot of time. Sometimes 1 hour task took 4 hours. I had to explain it, assign it, give them content and data, do QA, point out mistakes, and check revisions again. But now those same developers have been working with me for years. Most of the time, I simply forward an email from the client to the developer, and it takes me hardly a minute to assign a new task. So, how do you find such developers? That is easy. We will get to that. I will also show you my SOPs, job templates, interview questions, and everything else. But we will take it step by step. In the next lesson, we will focus on ourselves. We will decide what kind of agency owners or managers we want to be. We will put ourselves in the shoes of an employee and think about the kind of boss or manager we would like to work under. Once we decide that, we will shape ourselves into that role. I think this will be very interesting and will tell you a lot about yourself. So, see you in the next lesson.